Have you heard any news from Cardassia lately?
Not since they sealed their borders.
We're under attack, boss.
Release that ship immediately.
We are your allies.
Shields up. Forward phasers standing by.
The peace treaty between the Federation and the Klingon Empire has ended.
And it's going to be a glorious battle.
Klingon against Cardassian.
Just remember, when you fire that thing, you're aiming it at a Klingon.
I'll try to keep that in mind.
Federation against Klingon. The more we fight each other, the weaker we'll get and the less chance we have against the Dominion.